Well, after 2 years of renovations, the Vatican's press room has reopened in time for the Synod's daily briefings. It is now a popular spot for bishops, religious, and lay people as they discuss topics and issues related to the life of the Church. EWTN Vatican journalist Benedicte Cedergren has more.
It is the start of the Synod. Over the next 4 weeks, hundreds of participants will gather in the Paul VI Hall inside the Vatican to explore and discern the most effective ways to carry out the Catholic Church's mission in the future.
Actually, I would like to have a little bit more concrete suggestion how we can implement synodality in the parishes down to the grassroots, because many people there are still wondering what is it about the synodality, and we can experience it here in a very nice way. This togetherness, this together walking, praying, discussing, discerning with bishops, cardinals, lay people, and it's a wonderful atmosphere.
U.S. Bishop Daniel Flores is one of the 9 people Pope Francis chose to serve as president delegates of the Synod of Bishops this year. He stressed that Catholics need to listen to all perspectives. He referred to his own diocese located in a poor area on the border of Texas and Mexico. Bishop Flores told reporters it is largely bilingual, but there is a voice there of the people that has something to say about how the Lord Jesus shows himself.
The perspective is not the enemy of the truth. It's the normal way of the Church. That's why we have 4 Gospels. And so the synodal reality is to be aware that the perspective approaches the same mystery, but from its own context. And that it's important for the rest of the body to hear it.
While the Vatican shut down speculation regarding further theological study into the possibility of women being ordained as deacons, the Synod will still delve into topics such as the role of women in the Church and lay participation.
We are focusing so much on the role of the women in the Church. And I think it was from Sweden, there was a report which said, don't forget the laymen, because they are also missing in our Church.
Other topics up for discussion include the risk of the disappearance of Eastern churches due to war, polygamy in Africa, and the proclamation of the gospel in the digital age. In Rome, Benedicte Cedergren, EWTN News Nightly.